Hello and welcome to the virtual launch of Domino's Generation 7 label printing technology.
It's been such an exciting journey. Domino's always had a history of investing heavily in research and development.
So we're going to go over to Olympus Print Group in Leeds.
I'm absolutely delighted to be here at Olympus Print Group where we have the Domino N730i running live production. So that was a quick overview of the N730i and it's back to you all over in the Domino studio.
Before we start the Q&A session, let's just check in with our Slido poll. We had question 2, which was, do you think that offering higher print quality would win you more business? And the result is, 91% said yes.
Yeah, that's even higher than I would have expected. I mean, obviously, print quality is what we're here for.
So on behalf of Domino, we've been delighted to host you here at our virtual launch. And that just leaves it for me to say thank you for your time, goodbye, and stay safe.